Welcome to the overview of next-generation natural language processing in Python. My name is Alex Rutherford. I have over 10 years of experience of using Python, and a vast majority of that has been for data analysis, often working with text and language data. My experience comes both from academia. I am presently a research scientist at MIT's Media Lab, and also from practice. I worked for several years as a data scientist with the United Nations. As a result, I have a broad experience of using NLP for simple and complex projects and working with people with a wide variety of technical knowledge. So I'm well equipped to explain the principles behind NLP to you. You can find out more about my experience and background at alexrutherford.org. This course is structured to give you both a fundamental understanding of NLP and what it can be used for, but also to give you the practical tools you need to quickly start using NLP for your work to add value and extract insights from data. This course is composed of 6 sections. In section 1, we'll discuss what NLP can be used for, where text data might arrive, and the libraries that we'll be using in this course. Specifically, we will focus on new, emerging, very powerful libraries that are being used as standard across industry and academia. In the second section, we will jump in and build a first simple text classification pipeline. The example we will look at is how to classify emails as spam or not spam. In section 3, we will look back at this example to understand the tricks, definitions, and heuristics that are typically used in NLP pipelines. Text data is notoriously noisy, so there are lots of gotchas and tricks to be used and to watch out for. Often these are not written down in textbooks, so I'm making a point of compiling this knowledge which I've learned from my experience to give it to you. In section 4, we will look at a detailed example of how we can categorize text documents. Specifically, we will look at news articles and assign them to categories of news. In section 5, we will use unsupervised methods to find topics in text. This allows you to take a large set of text documents that do not have any labels and to get a bird's eye view of the themes contained within them. In section 6, we will briefly cover some advanced NLP methods. These include vector space models and semantic parsing. Vector space models such as Word2Vec have recently emerged in the last few years as a very powerful technique. Semantic parsing allows us to break down the words in a sentence and to uncover their role as a verb or a noun and so on. In this course, we will use Python 3. We will also use the Anaconda distribution, as this comes with many of the libraries that we will consider, such as scikit-learn for machine learning. And we will also have to install Gensim and spaCy. These are powerful libraries for text processing at scale. It will also be beneficial to be familiar with Pandas and Jupyter Notebooks, but that is optional. The goals of this course are as follows. To understand how NLP can unlock value from text data, we will spend some time looking at how to turn text data into numbers. Once we have a numerical representation of text, we can apply techniques such as supervised learning for categorization and unsupervised learning to extract topics from a set of documents. We will construct and query vector space language models, and we will break down sentence structure using semantic analysis to find the role that each word plays within our text data.